Is your furry friend deserving of their own castle? This DIY cat cage promises just that, a customizable kingdom for your feline overlord, or even your guinea pig, ferret, or rabbit. The package arrives packed with panels, a cat bed, a hammock, a climbing ladder, and even a scratching board. It's like Christmas morning for your kitty. The big selling point here is the flexibility. You can assemble this cage in a multitude of configurations. Need a tall tower for your climbing enthusiast? Done! Prefer a sprawling mansion for maximum lounging? You got it! The DIY aspect is genuinely appealing, letting you tailor the space to your pet's specific needs and your own aesthetic preferences. The cage is advertised as being suitable for 1 or 2 cats, and the dimensions seem adequate for that. They come in various sizes, so you can choose what fits your space and budget. The provided accessories, the bed, hammock, ladder, and scratching board, are nice additions that add immediate value and enrichment to the enclosure. Assembly is touted as being quick and easy, around 10-15 minutes. The claim is that 1 or 2 people can put it together without much hassle. The materials are described as low-carbon thickened steel, which should provide a sturdy and durable structure. Rust-proofing and wear resistance are also mentioned, suggesting this cage is built to last. Now, let's talk about potential downsides. While the steel construction sounds promising, the gauge of the wire and the quality of the connectors will ultimately determine the cage's long-term durability. A determined cat might be able to find weak spots, especially if the assembly isn't perfectly executed. Also, while the DIY aspect is great, it also means you're responsible for ensuring the cage is stable and secure. The product description emphasizes the spaciousness of the cage, ensuring your pets stay fresh and happy. However, it's important to remember that even the largest configuration is still a cage. It's not a substitute for regular playtime and interaction with your pet. Think of it as a safe and enriching space for when you can't directly supervise them, not as a permanent confinement. Overall, this DIY cat cage offers a compelling combination of customization, enrichment, and durability. The ability to tailor the cage to your pet's needs and your own space is a major plus. If you're looking for a versatile and engaging enclosure for your small animal, this is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to pay close attention to the assembly process and regularly inspect the cage for any signs of wear or damage. It's a solid option for creating a safe and fun haven for your furry friend.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.